Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to share something special with you, my summer wardrobe for paper dolls. Let's dive right in. I've created a fun and vibrant summer wardrobe that includes a variety of outfits. First up, we have this adorable pink dress with black and yellow stripes, perfect for those sunny days. Next, we have a stylish yellow and black top paired with beige trousers. And if you want to change things up, there is a blue top option that goes perfectly with the same beige trousers. Now check out this watermelon color top with a blue skirt adorned with white flowers. To complete the look, I've added a cute red summer bag. I also made some patterned overall with a green handbag for a fun, casual vibe. And don't forget this pink t-shirt paired with skirt featuring a black and white pattern. It's a great mix of comfort and style. We also have a glittery blue t-shirt matched with pink jeans for a touch of sparkle. Lastly, there is a chic black top with pink dots, also paired with pink jeans. What's great about these outfits is that they can be mixed and matched with different pieces to create endless combinations. Now that I've shown you the summer wardrobe, it's time to share how to create it and even make your own doll. First, you'll need to print out the template. The link you will find in the description of this video. I usually print mine on regular computer paper, but feel free to choose any paper you like. Next, gather your supplies, double-sided tape for attaching clothes, glue and scissors. In the template, you will find 2 pages with dolls, one page with moving doll and the other one with standard paper doll. For example, if you don't have mini brats, you can always choose which doll you want to print. For the moving doll, you will need mini brats. The size which I use you can see on the screen. To make holes for the brats, you can use a handy tool or simply a needle if that's easier for you. Now let's talk about laminating. You can use either transparent tape or lamination film, both work great. Whether you choose matte or glossy film won't affect the results, so pick what you prefer. If you have an iron or laminating machine, that's perfect. For this project, I won't laminate these 4 stripes since I need them to bend easily. Once you have everything ready, it's time to put on some calming music or a good movie and start cutting out the details. For the closet, glue 2 stripes to the back side of the cover. Flip it over and add 2 more stripes, then glue on the cover details. Next, we need to create a pocket for the doll. Glue 3 stripes of double-sided tape along the edge and attach the pocket to the cover. Now let's secure the dress to the hanger. Cut a small piece of double-sided tape, attach it to the dress and stick it to the hanger. Let's make the doll. Start by gluing the arm pieces together. Make holes in the shoulders and elbows where the marks shown. Use mini brats to fasten the joints, trimming the ends for safety. Repeat for the other arm, then fasten the back part of the body and arms at the shoulders in the same way. Once the arms are done, glue the body and arms together. Make holes in the hips and attach the upper leg pieces to the body. Remember to trim the ends of the mini brats for safety. Next, glue the hip pieces to the doll. Make holes in the doll's knees where the marks are shown and secure the knees with mini brats. Finally, glue the remaining pieces and our doll is ready for her fabulous summer wardrobe. Now that our doll is complete, we can store her in the pocket we made earlier. Isn't she adorable? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future crafting adventures. Make paper dolls with joy and happiness, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!